Hey, what is up, guys? It's Ndubisi here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a really quick video for you, and it's just a simple breakdown of how to make money with email marketing, essentially offering email marketing as a service. This video is basically a cutout from one of my courses, one of my best-selling courses on how to actually offer social media services. But I pulled out one of the intro videos here where I talk about email marketing, and I'm giving it to you guys today for free, right? So just enjoy the video. I hope you get one or two things of value out of it, and I hope that you implement it and make money for yourself. With that being said, let's get into the video. What's up, guys? Ndubisi here. So we're continuing our services list, showing you the kind of services that you can offer to business owners, and today we are going to be looking at email marketing. Now, email marketing, if you've read most of my posts, you know that email marketing is super powerful. It's one of those high income skills that if you learn how to actually do it, you are going to make a lot of money. And you know, businesses out there, people that have businesses really need to utilize email marketing in whatever they are doing. You see emails from Konga and Jumia and all these companies. They would not be sending you emails if they didn't know that email was profitable or if email had some sort of advantage. And I'm going to be showing you how to be able to offer these services to businesses, how to explain it to them, and you know, get paid over 6 figures or more to actually help them with their email marketing. So what is email marketing? For those of you that don't know, email marketing is simply the targeting of customers through electronic mail. Okay, so that's the simple definition. Email marketing is the targeting of customers through electronic mail. Now, let's say you meet a business owner, right, and he's asking you to explain what email marketing is, why he needs email marketing. So this is how you go about it. First of all, you tell the client, have you heard this saying, the money is in the list? Most of them will not have heard it. So some of them may have heard it and they will not ask you, okay, so what does it mean? The money is in the list. You know, everybody says it, the money is in the list, but what does that exactly mean? So every business needs email marketing for the following reasons, right? The first reason is you get to reach your customers at any point in time at no extra cost. With email marketing, you can send out an email even if it's 12 midnight and there will still be people that will read it and you don't need to spend extra. Compare this with Facebook ads where you have to run your ads at a certain point in time for people to see them, and every time you are running ads, you have to spend money. There is no free lunch with Facebook ads or any type of advert at all. You have to spend money. Compare that to email marketing where you have this list and you can always send messages to your customers at any time that you like and at no extra cost. I'm going to explain that in a second. The next reason is your email list stays with you forever, right? So your email list stays with you forever. Once you have it, you have it. It is actually your biggest online asset, because your Facebook group could go away tomorrow. Facebook could bring up some rules and take it away. Same thing with your following on Instagram or on Facebook or on any other platform, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. If you don't have an email list, anything can happen to those platforms and they are all gone. The only thing that you would have to start building again is your email list. So that's why your email list is technically your biggest online asset, okay? And then the next thing that your email list, why a business needs email marketing, is because of the value of repeat customers, okay? Research has been done that shows that it's way easier for you to get someone that has bought from you before to buy from you again than for you to get a new customer. The cost of acquiring a new customer is higher, whereas you getting someone that has bought from you to buy again is pretty easy. So with the email list, you are very sure that people that have bought from you that are on your email list, whenever you have something else to sell to them that is going to be of use to them, you are sure that they are going to buy. So these are the reasons why every business needs email marketing. Now, let's say the business owner still doesn't believe you and he still wants to go more advanced and start asking you about the details. So what are the figures, right? So this is how you explain it to the person. And this is why I get really excited about email marketing. So let's say you have an email list of 5,000 people, okay? You have an email list of 5,000 people. And let's also imagine that you built that list of 5,000 people at a cost of 2 cents per lead, okay? So you're spending 2 cents to get one lead. So 2 cents is about 72 naira. So let's say you're spending 72 naira to get a new person, to get each of those 5,000 people. So therefore, we can say that we spent 72 times 5,000 that is equal to 360,000 to build an email list of 5,000 people. We can actually do it much more less than this. I'm going to explain that. But let's just say we spent 360,000 to build an email list of 5,000 people. Okay. So the average conversion rate falls between 3% to 5%, depending on the industry. Okay. Some industries go as high as 10%. So depending on the industry that you're working with, if it's a health industry or something else, depending on the industry you're working with, the conversion rate may be higher. But the average conversion rate for things like internet marketing and selling digital products falls between 3% to 5%. And if you sell a 10,000 naira product to your list at a 5% conversion rate, that's going to be equal to 10,000 times 250 people, which is equal to what? 2.5 million naira. Okay, so let me read that sentence again. If you sell a 10,000 naira product to your list at a 5% conversion rate, that's 5% of the 5,000 people, that is 250 people. If only 250 people buy out of that 5,000 people initially, you've made clean 2.5 million, and this is just for one campaign only. So you can see why I get pretty excited when I talk about email marketing, because email marketing, if you explain it like this to any business owner that really knows about business and knows that he needs to make sales in order to stay in business, the person is going to be salivating at the mouth before you even finish explaining all these steps for you. And it's going to be pretty easy for you to set up, like I'm going to show you in this video. Okay guys, that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some form of value from it. If you want to get the full course that this video is a part of, I'm going to leave the link also in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. But other than that, I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.